India has reported a record number of more than 9,000 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The total cases in the country now stands at 216,000, including over 6,000 deaths. India now has the seventh largest outbreak globally. Neha Punya tells us more.
This is not entirely unsurprising given that the current lockdown, which is in place till the end of June, is in its most diluted form. People are being encouraged to go back to work if they can't avoid working from home. Many government offices have opened up. Air and rail travel has now been open for several weeks, which is why as people start moving from one place to another, we are seeing a big spike. But 9,000, that's a mark that India has not breached so far. The government says it's going to continue testing more. Its focus is going to be on looking at containment zones. These are areas with active COVID-19 cases and ensuring that there's limited activity in those areas. One such zone is the capital of New Delhi. We've seen more cases in Delhi in the last 24 hours than in Mumbai, which is, beg your pardon, still the biggest COVID-19 hotspot in India, and that's a worrying trend, with many people saying that the rate at which the infection is spreading in Delhi, Delhi could very well overtake Mumbai in the days ahead, which is why the government has now sealed the borders of the capital region. They've also said that anyone who enters the city of Delhi either through train, planes or buses will now have to mandatorily quarantine themselves at home for 7 days, something they hadn't said prior to this. Earlier, the advisory was you only need to stay at home and monitor your symptoms, which is a big change in how Delhi is tackling the spread of COVID-19.